This is a 2013 Acura MDX. It has a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine, a six-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a power moonroof, dual-zone climate control, a low-tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, 18-inch alloy wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, LED backlit gauges, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.